My Yokozuna, issue your challenge. If any intestinal fortitude, you would accept my Yokozuna's challenge. Come on! Come on, you yellow belly, come on!
So Fuji says his Yokozuna's issuing a challenge to Hulk Hogan. But Hogan is more concerned with helping his friend Bret Hart.
We need one more sentence. We will put on heavyweight belt on the line right now.
He says, Fuji says they'll put the title on the line right now.
Come on. Let's go. You got any guts? Let's do it. Come on.
Mr. Fuji has said that they will put the title on the line right now against the Hulkster.
Look at Bret's telling him to go. Go get him.
Hogan. Do it.
The challenge.
Bret Hart's telling Hulk to go for it. He said go for it, big man. Hulk Hogan's in the ring.
Ding.
The crowd wants him to go for it, but then Fuji reaching back into his kimono there, and it's got more than salt or whatever all right in the eyes of Yokozuna. Hogan knocks Fuji down. Hogan with closed down, and down goes Yokozuna. Hogan back to low. Hogan to the cover.
No.
Back to low. And Hogan. By the time.
Believe this.
Hogan.
What's going on here?
Hulk Hogan has won the title.
The winner of this bout.
Listen to this crowd.
World Wrestling Federation champion.
Hulk Hogan's the new champion.
Yokozuna had the title for 3 minutes. Is that what you told me?
Hulk Hogan has won the title. Hulk Hogan has won the title for the 5th time. What a startling, dynamic. He can't believe the belt.
Hulk Hogan is a champion. Hogan is a champion. I cannot believe this.
Over 16,000 here.
For the 5th time, Hulk Hogan has become champion. Not the mess with Mother Nature.
Hulk Hogan has done it. Hogan, with a blessing of Bret Hart, accepted the challenge. Fuji tried to go for the salt right in Hogan's face, but he avoided it. It hit Yokozuna, and the Hulkster took over.
A new World Wrestling Federation champion twice over. Yokozuna and now Hulk Hogan